I was really just at the stage of having an idea in my head. I'd built a prototype in the living room of my flat, but I don't know how to turn this idea into a functioning business.
Working from home by yourself, it can be a little bit lonesome, I guess. The idea of working with other startups, having other people that were going through the same sort of cycle as you are, I guess was what appealed the most.
The Incubator is a safe haven for budding entrepreneurs. We'll develop you and your idea, we'll give you accountability, and we'll help you escape from that isolation from working at home.
The whole point of the Incubator is to give people that start to their enterprise and ambitions. The university can offer training and skills development as a lifelong process.
We want them to really grow as people, as business owners, and have that confidence in themselves and their business. This will work, and if it's working already, really take it to the next level.
I automatically felt this big boost in energy coming into the incubator. I was surrounded by people with energy, they had drive, they had fresh ideas.
You're all kind of holding each other accountable for what you're doing, making sure you're hitting those goals. It's very varied, but then I think you also realise that everyone has a lot of the same challenges as well.
There's a lot of support that's readily available in terms of speakers and also networking. They're not forced to do one thing or do another. We lay on seminars, there's the opportunity to be mentored, and it's up to them.
I attended every single seminar because they were all so incredibly valuable.
Covered everything from kind of social media, marketing,
accounting, time management, finance, hearing from other business owners and their experience, I think better prepared me for a lot of the ups and downs.
I'm very pleased with how the Incubator's gone in this first year. People saying that the Incubator has served them well and that they're enjoying the experience, and it's of use to them, that's the whole point. It was also very much in line with the university's wider strategy of engagement with enterprise for both students and staff in terms of encouraging, supporting and developing enterprise and entrepreneurship in the university. My vision going forward for the Incubator is that it's seen as a resource of value and it's seen as something that's making a good contribution to the university and to the businesses that are starting in there.